Around here on my booty. Old Town Road. Oh, hello, you're crooked, ain't you? You down low? Welcome to Blue Bike North Channel, another episode of In the Shed Dickin' Around. Run that intro. What you doing in there? Come on out and take a look at the new bike. Well, ain't she sweet? Now she's a Ultra. Road Glide Ultra. Welcome back to Blue Bike North Channel. Hope you like the new look on Lucille. So, I guess I'm going to show you how we got there. Step one is the unboxing. See, she looks naked without nothing on her. So we got two looks now. We got the custom bar, tall CC bar look, and only took 2 months to get this piece. This is what it is. TIGERSGATE. Yeah, looks like it's in China. You know it, everything is, even Harley parts. Let's see. Yep. Harley said they couldn't get it till December for it shipped. Anyway, these are just my crash bars. See, crash bars. Yep. But that's not what we're gonna change the look. More boxes. Come this way. I didn't break my phone. Yeah. So let's open this big box and see what's in it. Can you guess? Well, I guess you guess. You just seen it. I'm just showing you how you got there. And it didn't come from Home Depot. It came from the Evil Bay. You know the Evil Bay? Because it makes you do, you see stuff that gets you in trouble. It's evil. Well, I hate losing. So when I bet on something, dang, he did take it up good, didn't he?
I don't know, just top, at the bottom, or side. He said I'll have trouble getting into it. Might take a minute. Alright, one down. I don't know how many more to go. We'll take this. And I'll have to get tape. You build boxes like I do.
Let me get over here. Whew. Have you figured out what it is yet?
Don't worry, these shiny pieces are going away. I got that whole too. See here. They said Friday or tomorrow. But I already got the black on the bottom. Got the luggage rack already on it. We need to do something about that, I guess, with changes. I don't know. I got this off of eBay, and
that's a Harley Davidson rack. Got the full thing in it. This might be original Harley Davidson stuff and not no knockoff from Advanblack. Let's turn it around. Anyway, how I came about this piece was I think this might have been it off eBay, and he had it for like 14 or 13, I can't remember. And it said make offer, so I made an offer of $1 grand, 1K in a day, as Ben calls it. So I spent 1K in a day, and I hit send, and next thing I know it said accepted, and then next thing I know I done paid for it, and voila, here it is. All right, I think she's ready to go on. So let me see if I can't put it on. How'd that get dirty? Must have, I don't know, but all right, let's see if we can't shove this sucker on there. Thought we get all the plastic off first. All right, remove tripping hazard. So it goes on down. It does. There it goes. Oh, I gotta move these caps. These are caps off eBay, covers up the, goes on the sissy part, I mean on the luggage rack part. Alright, so, ooh, locked. Locked, I like that. Well, there you have it. Lucille's now an ultra. Yeah, I like it. Let's get it outside now and show you. Road Glide Ultra. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I do. Next week we'll put the crash bars thingies, saddlebag protector bar on. And you can go check out that video. If you had enough, check out that video there. That one there. And hit the subscribe button. And remember, think about them guys and all the people in Florida getting hit with Iran. Ran.